Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Saba. If you guys are new, then welcome. I make fashion videos and makeup videos, and if you guys are returning subscribers, then thank you so much for your support and welcome back. And in today's video, I'm doing this lovely makeup for Eid. So I'm priming my face to begin with Smashbox primer, and that is the photo finish one, and I'm just using that all over my face in areas where I have pores and uneven skin tone. Now I'm going in with the Fentybeauty foundation in the shade 240, and using a flat brush I am putting that on my face, and then using a Real Techniques humongous sponge, I'm using that on my face to buff it in, and just use that kind of tapping motion, and that would kind of like sink the product into your skin and make it look really airbrushed. At least for me it does. So just don't drag it, do this tapping motion that I'm doing. And you guys have to try this sponge out, it is so good. I was in Boots the other day and came across it, and I was like, what is this size? It's literally nearly the size of my face, but I was intrigued, and it has cut the time in half for my foundation. It does not take me long at all to do my foundations now. So I'm going in with the second layer, and once that's done, I'm using this light brown shade and just not cutting a crease yet, but just applying that above my crease and not in my crease, because I've got hooded eyes, so I create kind of like a fake crease above my actual crease, if that makes sense. If you guys want in-depth tutorial for cut crease, then let me know and I will make one for you guys. And for the second eye, I'm just doing the same, and then we are going to go in with this darker brown shade from Urban Decay, and I'm going in the exact same area to just build up more color. And just remember that you guys should just blend and take your time, because I've cut footage, it seems like it didn't take me long at all, but in reality it took me a while, and I could have taken more time because it takes a long time. And then I'm going in with even more of a darker brown shade, and now in my real crease I'm just applying that, and that kind of just will give it a depth once I create my cut crease, if that makes sense. Just take your time blending, because the more you blend, the more seamless it's going to be. And always use clean brushes, as I am doing over here. I'm using Maybelline concealer in shade number 10, and I am cutting my crease right here. Again, I'm taking my time to do so, because there is no hurry. Once you mess it up, there is no going back, so just take your time to do that, and just cut the entire lid, so basically from the inner corner to the outer corner, because I am going to apply a completely different shade once I have cut the crease. I actually never knew up until now that I have hooded lids, hooded eyes, because I always used to apply the eyeshadows, and then I used to think, why, or like what's wrong, why do they not show up? Every time I would do a video, take a picture, literally the crease or my lid eyeshadow would never be visible. And recently I have actually worked it out, and I've realized that I've got hooded eyes, and I've kind of got this technique where it has worked for me. So I'm so happy to share it with you guys if you guys are interested. Next, going in with this burgundy maroon shade, just apply that on the outer corner and in the inner corners of your eyes. Take the time to do that. I had to build it up, because in one go the pigment payoff was not enough for me, so I had to go in back and forth quite a few times to get my desired color that I wanted. And I left the middle bit empty because I'm going to apply a totally different shade. And I ended up losing some footage for contouring, so bear with me, I'll tell you when that comes up. So I'm also just joining these two sides together in the middle, if you can see, and then going in with this sleek pigment. I am just placing that in the middle of my lid, and this shade is amazing. You guys should go and check it out and buy it, because I don't know if you guys can see it in here, but it's kind of holographic color. So it's pink and it's green and maybe it's blue. It shows different shades. It's really pretty, and to do cut creases like that, it's amazing. I'm probably going to do more looks in future using the same shade, because I am in total love with it. Now I'm just using another brush and I'm just trying to blend it out so that it looks seamless. Now with the fluffy brush, I am using that to blend and just kind of put more brown in there, and then just highlighting my brow bone with a highlighting shade. You can use any highlighter to do that. So as I said, I've lost some footage, so I did use Hudabeauty cream contour in medium, but I think my camera was not recording. Now I am using the Toofaced Concealer, and I'll leave the shade below in the description box. And for my contouring in terms of powder, I used the Hoola bronzer as always. Now for my lower lash line, I have used the same burgundy color that I used on my cut crease, and I'm just using a fluffy brush for that. And for loose powder, I've used Fentybeauty in Banana. And I'm going in for my contour again on top of my cream contour, just using the Hoola bronzer and just kind of adding wherever I feel I need more contour. And then just using banana powder, I'm just chiseling out my cheekbones. And for my blush, I'm using NYX. And I'm just going to list the name down in the description box. If you guys are interested, just check that out. All the information will be down there. For highlighter, I've used MAC, and that is, I believe, Soft and Gentle, if I'm not wrong. And for for brows, I'm using the Benefit gel, and for the spray, I'm just using my Morphe setting spray. For lipstick, it's MAC, and that is Barely there, and topping that up with YSL, and it's a lip gloss. I do not know the name, it's just a travel size, so I'm going to check that for you guys on internet, because I think the name has rubbed off, but I'm just going to leave it down in the description box again for you. And then after that, for inner tear duct, actually not, we're doing mascara still. So mascara is the Loreal False Sculpt for the lower lashes and also for the top lashes. And I think, yes, for tear ducts, I'm using the highlighter from MAC again. And then the look is complete. And for my earrings, these, if you guys are interested, I'll try and find them for you, but I do not think I can, because I bought them like 3 years ago from eBay. But there's so many companies on Instagram where you'd be able to find similar ones, and for 20-30 quid, and I just love them. And I think they have just put the whole entire look together very nicely, because my kurta is very plain and simple, and makeup is obviously like out there, and the earrings are out there, and I just love the way this look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well, and if you did, do not forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and hit the bell button, because if you enjoy my videos, then you guys need to be aware and notified every time I upload one, and I do so every week now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a wonderful Ramadan until Eid, if I do not end up uploading another Eid video, which I am still trying and planning to do so. And yeah, I shall catch you guys in my next one. Bye bye.